What's going on, guys? Welcome to Pimp My Treestand. This is to give you an extra option. We have a bunch of young kids that hunt, so we want to give them the best chance to succeed. So I ended up going with a 7-foot platform stand, and here it is. Alright guys, I got the first box laid out here, pretty simple, 4 of each piece. Here's exactly what it is. The Primal Treestands Homestead 7 quad pod with enclosure, model PVTS 800. I need some instructions here, so I started to open box number 2, which weighs way too much. Okay guys, we got all the metal out for the tree stand, and this is the aftermath of the shipping. So as you can see, bunch of bolts very close in size, and they're all over the place. That's after I picked them out of the grates there. So that's all the pieces. Hopefully, that's all the bolts. Hopefully. The boxes were damaged, so we'll go from there. Time to read some directions. Has a small shooting window for rifle, has the big zip window on each side. I got the base covered up so we can sneak up in case something's nearby. So let's go over and check this bad boy out. Walk-in path. The floor lifts up like that. Up we go. Now it's dark in here. Let me get a little window unzipped here. There's the big shooting window. Like I said, each size has one. Close the window down. Here's what it looks like, guys. Pretty sturdy. You'll see how I put it together here. As you can see, got some little shooting lanes opened up. Has the This is a Primal Treestand. I ordered it off Sportsman's Guide. Here's the name if anybody wants it. But I'm fairly impressed. It was not easy to put together. I'm standing up. I'm 6'2" right now. So you guys can see there's plenty of headroom to stretch out. Plenty big enough for 2 people to sit up here. Maybe 3. But there it is. The Primal Treestand. 7-foot platform stand. Luckily, I'm tall enough to reach up and shut it down. So there's the rough idea. It has braces along the bottom. I put the platform together first, carried it out, built the legs on in the woods, put a couple extra straps on it just to secure it. But pretty sturdy. Doesn't make a lot of noise. I'm pretty impressed. Like I said, I got a pretty good deal on it on Sportsman's Guide. They also have 12-foot ones. So if you wanted to go higher, I kind of knew I'd be on the side of this hill, so I didn't want to go too high. But there you have it.